Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn exponential and logarithmic functions together, step by step. An exponential function has the variable in the exponent, like f of x equals a times b to the x. Take g of x equals 2 to the x. At 0 it's 1, at 1 it's 2, at 3 it's 8. The key idea: every time x goes up by 1, the output multiplies by the base. That's why exponentials grow so fast. A logarithm is the inverse of an exponent. Log base b of y equals x simply means b to the x equals y. So log base 2 of 8 is 3, because 2 cubed is 8. Log base 10 of 1000 is 3 as well. A logarithm just asks, what power do I raise the base to reach this number? Let's solve 3 to the x equals 81. The trick is to write both sides with the same base. 81 is 3 to the 4th power. So 3 to the x equals 3 to the 4th, which means the exponents match. Therefore, x equals 4. When you can match bases, you just set the exponents equal. Clean and fast. Now solve log base 5 of x equals 2. Convert it to exponential form. 5 squared equals x, so x equals 25. Always check. Log base 5 of 25 really is 2, since 5 squared is 25. Switching from log form to exponential form is your main tool for these. Rewrite, then write off the answer. To summarize, exponential functions multiply by the base at every step, and logarithms reverse them. The bridge is that log base b of y equals x means b to the x equals y. To solve, match bases and equate exponents, or rewrite a log into exponential form. Keep that conversion handy, and these problems become routine. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.